listen, if you're watching this and you're you're one of them people that say, "Oh my gosh, it burns even hotter the second time."
Science time with Kosmo.
I'm telling you, I found this out. I've studied this. When you get something hot, your natural reaction is to drink something. You gotta resist. You gotta stop and resist, because what's happening? You're actually washing that oil down into your tract. Your saliva breaks that oil up and breaks it down so your body can consume it. That's why it doesn't bother me the next day. Welcome to another episode of Kosmo Unfiltered. I'm Kosmo.
I'm Wes. I never introduced myself.
No, you don't. I always try to lead in with you on it and like introduce you, and then I do a horrible job. I'd be like a shitty late night host.
Yeah, if you were ever a late night host, it would shock me.
Yeah, it would shock a lot of people. It'd shock me.
How long do you think before you get canceled?
Oh,
minutes?
Probably 2
seconds?
episodes. I don't know that I can. I probably could hold my composure for the first, 4 or 5 episodes, but not. Man. I wouldn't never see 10. They would be on that button.
Oh, God. The producer would be sweating, going to cardiac arrest.
He dropped an F-bomb again.
Oh, God. He's not reading the teleprompter.
What is the button that they have? The dump switch?
Oh, you just kill everything?
Yeah.
It's under glass.
It's like there's like a 10-second delay, and that's only long enough for you to get to the dump switch.
To kill everything.
Yeah.
I believe it.
So
liability.
On today's video, we're going to be talking about our 5-alarm brisket burrito. It was good.
You took a risk.
I took a risk, but this is actually, it was really good. It was hot. That hot sauce.
Well, you guys
Pepper X,
wouldn't have known what was hot or not after the way you started that.
It went awry pretty quick. So then the real, the Oklahoma sauce, it
tasted like cow's milk.
Yeah. After
what happened,
but
what
with
transpired.
the burrito, Jen was eating it and she goes, "Oh, I love it," and it just had enough heat on it.
It was great. It was similar heat, kind of crept up on you.
Yeah,
but not like what you guys were experiencing.
Yeah. If I had it to do over again, I would probably pull the beans out for me.
Yeah. Or do a different kind of bean.
Different kind of beans. I would probably replace the beans with. Here's what I would do. If I was going to do that one again, I know what I do. It would be a breakfast burrito.
Yeah.
And it would be brisket, egg, scrambled egg, and hash browns. Fried hash browns.
And you could have made a thicker, like aioli kind of sauce with all the same stuff in it.
I could have backed off.
I think the vinegar really did.
Yeah, I could have cut the vinegar in half and thickened up the sauce.
Yep.
Or doubled the mayo. I probably would have just kept everything the same, cut the vinegar down, but I would have added ghost pepper wing dust to it.
Yeah. Because that's what made the redneck sauce pop.
Yeah.
But that Pepper X, I watched you load that up and just go for it, and I was like, oh.
That was that kind of heat is not fun.
You were immediately like, good. I got nothing to say.
Yeah, it's not good. It's not. You can taste the pepper for
seconds.
Maybe a full 1/1000 count.
Oh, jeez.
And then kabam.
So has that one always been the last dab, or is it new?
No, the last dab is made with different peppers.
So this is new.
This is a new last dab.
Oh God, the last dab.
If they get hotter than this, then I'm out.
Oof. Well, there sits the toe of Satan over there. How many Scovilles on that guy?
Damn sure. I didn't realize that.
It's been sitting there for years.
Was it like 9 million?
Oh, something terrible. We got to know. Hang on. Grab it. Grab that thing. See what's...
Death looking right over.
It's dusty as sin.
3 million to 9 million.
The toe of Satan. I don't know if you can see that. The Toe of Satan Challenge from Flamethrower Candy Company comes the hottest candy on the planet. Do you dare attempt to conquer the sinister lollipop? The Toe of Satan has been spawned from a devastating 9 million Scoville unit chili extract, guaranteed to scorch any mortal's tongue. Can you survive 5 minutes of intense heat?
No, you can't. I'll just tell you, you can't. I didn't try that one, but I witnessed grown men
flopping around,
getting punished profusely.
Yeah. That was real. 24 grams of sugar, too, so, I mean, I can't imagine. Warning, this product is extremely spicy, has the potential to cause skin or mouth irritation.
Irritation?
Irritation.
How do they even, like, how do their attorneys allow that? Skin and mouth burns.
Wear gloves and eye protection.
Yeah. I would have put, do not do this.
Don't do it. Yeah, I mean, that's a video. It's out there.
Pay the bet and just lose like a man. Don't.
You think they're still in business?
I don't know.
Maybe. What if those are worth something?
Could be.
Let's look them up. I would not eat that if that was the last thing on the planet.
For $1 billion, would you rub it on your bunghole?
$1 billion?
$1 billion.
Probably. I'd never have to do anything else ever again.
Well, you'd have to get your bunghole fixed.
I mean, I think that would wear off.
Or that would be a form of, you could say you bleached it at home.
Jeez, can't ever sit down again. Well, they have other products here. What do we got? Flamethrower Candies, Flaming Anus Chocolate Bar.
Shut up.
I swear. The Flaming Anus. It's got your face on it.
Oh.
What does it say?
Hey, don't be mean.
2.2 million Scovilles. That's still real hot. Ooh, Little Nitro, the world's hottest gummy bear. Let's see. 9 million Scoville on a gummy bear. Jeez. Let's see. Toe Satan, Ghost Pepper, hard candy. Man. Oh, they got a Carolina Reaper, too, for $2.
To cool you down.
Yeah. As an aperitif, help it all to go down.
What is a Reaper? Like 1 million?
Jeez,
1.3 million?
Let's see.
Something like that?
Hottest pepper, nothing else.
I think Pepper X was 2.3 or 2.6 million.
So I thought it was hot like that.
No, there's so this uses
chili
extract,
so it's like concentrated.
Yeah. So what they do is they get that and they simmer it down, right? Or whatever it is they do.
Let's see the
Pepper X is so the
1.5 million on the Carolina Reaper.
Yeah, 1.5. What's Pepper X? 2.6.
I don't know. It's not on here.
Well, type it in.
Pepper X.
Pepper X. Scoville.
Pepper X Scoville. 2.69 million.
2.6. 2.7.
Jeez.
Let's just call it 2.7.
I just saw pepper spray on one. I wonder how hot it is.
Now, the way that I understand that they judge these, and I'm not an expert by any means, is they take like 20 peppers or something. They take a number of peppers, and then they measure the heat on either each one individually or they grind up the whole batch and just so they get a true average, and it should be to be mathematically correct. You need at least 25 samples. I know that as that would be on the low end. 100 samples would be perfect, but then you run an average on them, and it averaged at 2.69. So that means potentially
it's hotter than that.
You have the capability of picking up a 2.9 and putting it in your mouth, or if you get lucky, a 2.
So what would be in the sauce then? Like if it's all worked into a sauce, what does that equate to?
I don't know. I didn't look at the bottle.
We'll have to find out.
It's got to be around 3 million.
Man, I didn't check on Kyle. I wonder how he did.
It's got to be around 3 million. Boy, I know today, though, dude.
Second taste?
No, I didn't get a second taste because I don't. And this is, listen, if you're watching this and you're you're one of them people that say, "Oh my gosh, it burns even hotter the second time."
Science time with Kosmo.
I'm telling you, I found this out. I've studied this. When you get something hot, your natural reaction is to drink something. You gotta resist. You gotta stop and resist, because what's happening is you're actually washing that oil down into your tract. Your saliva breaks that oil up and breaks it down so your body can consume it. That's why it doesn't bother me the next day. But it sucks.
Oh, I'm sure.
It sucks a lot.
It sucks a lot.
But it's that kind of, it's that, I did this, you did this to yourself. Like, there is nowhere to run. There is no flight.
Oh, Kyle said his body dealt with this invasive substance like a champ.
Oh, well, that's good.
Yeah, he's good.
That's good.
So he's debunking your claim now because he drank some water.
Yeah, but he didn't have that much either.
That's true. I mean, he loaded up just like you did.
He did a dab.
You did too.
Spencer.
Oh,
when he worked here.
Well, he can't taste anything.
Well, I seen him puking shit his pants. I didn't see him shit his pants, but I had the hottest ramen in the world.
Ooh.
And then he took and put the bomb final answer in it, like 2 tablespoons.
He's a monster.
And plowed that bowl of ramen down, and he's actually in the storefront bathroom, and you can just hear him in there
dying. Dude, I bet that just hurt and hurt
puking
and hurt.
Up that heat.
Man, you wouldn't have a booger in your nose for a year. Just seared clean.
Oh,
I'm not made of that.
No.
I'm not made of that stuff.
No, that's a different level of hurt. That's a different level of hurt. But
anyway.
The burrito was good. If I was going to do anything, I'd pull the fries out, pull the beans out, come back in with scrambled eggs, hash browns.
That was some high guy food.
Yeah. But you know what? If you made them, you could even make them healthy. Obviously, you'd have to take the brisket out, change the tortilla. Not fried.
So you can't. You is what we're arriving at. We can make this burrito disappointing.
Yeah. Yeah, it'd be I don't know. I bet you I could make a healthy version of it. I mean, it's not going to be like healthy, but it's going to be a low carb wrap.
Yep.
I'll use scrambled eggs.
Yep.
That consist of egg whites or the Southwest egg whites and 1 real egg for the flavor.
Yeah.
So it kind of makes it
that
taste
up a little bit.
Yeah. I would use I'd hand make the hash browns, so I wouldn't buy all the processed shit.
Yeah.
And then I would air fry the balls off of them to get them crispy.
Yep.
And then this is the bad part, but you could actually do it if you did like a lean steak, and then sliced it thin and sauteed it with some grass-fed butter and some onions.
Mm-hmm. I
bet you I could get that burrito under 400 calories. 350, which is 350 is a great breakfast.
Yeah, for breakfast.
Damn, man. Now I'm gonna have to do that. That's how my mind works.
We need to eat.
That's how my mind works. Though I sit there and think of shit, and I go, okay.
I'm gonna go get the most ridiculous sandwich you've ever seen after this.
Where you going?
There's a place called Pizzeria Gusto.
I've heard of that.
They got a good Italian up there.
Really?
And there's a better one at 30th Street Market's got a good Italian. And there's one in Edmond I haven't tried yet, but I heard it's good too.
Is it Publix good?
See, I mean, Publix is good and convenient. Yeah. You don't always get both.
Yeah.
You can get a good Italian.
You think they're using boar's head though?
Oh, I mean, who knows? Probably not. It's probably Benny, Keith, whatever.
Garbage.
Boar's head is good though.
Boar's head is good. Man, in Florida.
Didn't I have to talk you into that?
You was the first. Yeah.
I was like, get boar's head.
And why is it you ask me to do something, I do it. I ask you to do something, and you're like.
Don't do that.
You do.
You want me to watch like a week's worth of movies and shows?
I just want you to watch Tombstone.
I would love to watch that. I just don't have time.
Bullshit.
I'm going to send you a picture. It was like the banner on the TV the other night. And I'm going to send you a video of me just like going past it.
You would really like it. I think you would like Young Guns better.
You know how you probably remember this time in your life where everything you started you couldn't finish. No. So why even start?
No, I don't know.
I'm talking movies, projects, thoughts, meals.
I do that. I still have a car wash system that's going in my shop that is still sitting in my shop.
A car wash system?
It's just I bought a car wash sprayer, and I got a...
Oh, I thought it was like you can pull in that thing and it washes your car?
Well, I got a 100-foot hose because I got the truck, the trailer, and it's kind of, it sucks.
You stopped at truck and trailer. You got more than that.
But I did splurge and put a spot-free rinse on it.
Oh. It's little things.
It's the little things, man.
Yeah.
So.
See, I'd have to get a babysitter just to take the truck somewhere to get anything done.
No, you got to quit saying that. You drag them little shits out in the yard with you, and you so you see how people tie up their dog in the yard, that little corkscrew?
Yeah.
That's for kids.
We'll do that, and I'll let you sit in the front yard and get heat.
Tie
from
that.
everybody.
Hey man, don't even. You're preaching or you're crying to the wrong guy.
That's the way our parents did us. We turned out fine.
Shit, our parents didn't know where we were at.
That's true.
We actually had commercials on TV, or when they started the 10 o'clock news. It's 10 o'clock. Do you know where your kids are?
Because they didn't know where you were.
No.
Yeah.
And that was when it got dark, you came home.
Yeah. Sometimes that was 9 o'clock though.
Yeah. So
anyway.
Well, hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you like what we're doing, share this with a friend. Leave us a comment down below if you have even tried the Pepper X hot sauce from
the last dab.
Yeah.
The lastest dab.
The last final dab. Period.
End all be all dab.
All right. I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.